Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Quickbase. If you're not familiar with Quickbase, it's a low-code application development platform that allows you to create custom business applications without having to write any code. I've been using Quickbase for a few years now, and I've found it to be an incredibly powerful and versatile tool. However, I've also heard from a lot of people who are new to Quickbase and are wondering if it's easy to learn. So, in this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Quickbase easy to learn? I'll also provide some tips and resources to help you get started with Quickbase. Before I get into the details of Quickbase, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever had a business process that you wish you could automate? If so, then Quickbase is the perfect tool for you. With Quickbase, you can create custom applications that automate your business processes and make them more efficient. So, what is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to create custom business applications without having to write any code. It provides a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to create forms, reports, and workflows. Quickbase is used by a wide variety of businesses, including small businesses, large enterprises, and government agencies. It's a powerful tool that can be used to automate a wide range of business processes, such as sales and marketing, customer service, human resources, finance, operations. Is Quickbase easy to learn? The answer to this question is yes and no. Quickbase is a powerful tool, and it takes some time to learn how to use it effectively. However, the learning curve is not as steep as other low-code development platforms. Here are some of the things that make Quickbase easy to learn. The user interface is intuitive and easy to use. Quickbase provides a wealth of online resources and training materials. The Quickbase community is very supportive and helpful. Tips for learning Quickbase. If you're new to Quickbase, here are a few tips to help you get started. Start with the basics. Learn about the different types of objects in Quickbase, such as tables, fields, and forms. Use the Quickbase University. Quickbase University is a great resource for learning about Quickbase. It offers a variety of courses and tutorials that will help you get up to speed. Join the Quickbase community. The Quickbase community is a great place to get help and support from other Quickbase users. Resources. Here are some resources that you can use to learn more about Quickbase. Quickbase University. https://university.quickbase.com. Quickbase Community. https://community.quickbase.com. Quickbase Help Center. https://helpv2.quickbase.com/hc/n-us. Quickbase is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used to automate a wide range of business processes. It's easy to learn, but it does take some time to get the hang of it. However, with the right resources and support, you can quickly become a Quickbase expert. I hope this video has helped you answer the question, is Quickbase easy to learn? If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, I encourage you to sign up for a free trial. You can also check out my other videos on Quickbase. Thanks for watching.